How to write a novel, a shortcut. Reading and writing has been the passion of human for centuries, perhaps from the time of its creation. Many of us used to read books just for the sake of pleasure, passing time or to get the eyes tired for a quick sleep. There is a category also who can live without breathing but can't compromise on reading. These are called bookworms, and they always steal some time from their busy life to search for new books and novels. These kinds of people are often found in or around bookshops searching for new arrivals. Some among them are interested in writing novels too. Writing a novel is a tough as well as a long procedure which demands a passionate love for it. So if you are one of them and have not produced your first novel, then obviously you will be captured by the question that how to write a novel. It seems to be a plain question at all, but it is not. Before you write a novel, you should know the literary science for how to write a novel. Without a close attachment with literature of your language, you can never be able to write something typically. There are many principles, methods, rules, and regulations for standard novel writing, which need to be discussed, learned, and followed. All this is a time-consuming procedure to learn and talk about, but there is a shortcut way to get a quick access to that position, where you can have your standard published writings and a huge crowd of your fans. Do you expect me to disclose this valid shortcut? Do you want to know how to write a novel easily? You are welcome to discover the shortcut at www.writingwriting.info